Welcome to our disassembly guide for the Alienware Area-51m laptops. Before you start, make sure to check our safety and precautions video. The link is in the description below. It is always good to use either an anti-static mat or an anti-static wristband to avoid any problems. There are a total of 6 screws on the Area-51m model. Bear in mind, only the screws located on the corner will come out entirely. First of all, make sure to disconnect the battery from the system by using the black latch on the cable. Begin by taking out the single screw holding the unit. Now you can unroute the cables to give you some more room and carefully lift up and slide out the card on a 45-degree angle. Remove the plastic piece from it and remove each antenna by pulling them upwards from the metallic tabs. To add a new unit, first connect the antennas to the cart. Now, you can add the plastic piece, insert the cart on a 45-degree angle, and route the cables. Secure all the pieces by using the single screw and you will be done. Lastly, reconnect the battery. Slide the cover back on and use the screws to close out the computer. If you have any questions, make sure to send us a private message via our social media pages, and thanks for watching.